So we're talking today about the North Trail. This is no joke. This trailer right here, I'm gonna show you why it's no joke. Follow me. King Kong ain't got nothing on this storage right here, okay? King Kong stores big wide interest. That's why it's no joke. Follow me. Wide track tires, suspension. Call your professional. That's why it's no joke. Come on in here. Asdale. That's why it's no joke. Asdale interior. 2-inch thick walls. That's why it's no joke. Another reason why it's no joke. You come over here, a king size bed in a 22-footer. Get out of here. They got storage under here now. That's why it's no joke. And if you come over here, you can put all your trinkets on the side right there. No joke. Then the big wide sink. They call it a farm sink, I think. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. But it is a farm sink. Come over here. Nice, relaxing, chilling area to hang out with your family and beat everybody in Monopoly. Come on, over here. Bathroom. No joke. It has a radius. They call it a radius shower in there. That's what it's called. All right. So then if you come over here, you say they got no storage for food. Oh, look at that. Look how deep that is. No joke. It even has solar panel on top. This is a nice, awesome trailer. If you have any questions, give Anthony Fuller a call. No joke.